Good morning, fellow Porsche coronavirus people. So what you're looking at is a 968 transmission, also known as a transaxle. So today, our objective is to get this guy out of the car and send him off for a rebuild, because we've got some major moving around going on in this transmission, and second gear likes to chirp and talk to you. So we're gonna get that guy out. Step one is gonna be to clean everything up so we don't get super greasy hands and everything looks nice. And most importantly, so we can do a proper inspection to make sure nothing's missing, nothing's not there that should be there, so that when we put it back together, it goes together exactly as we took it apart. All right, thanks for watching there, fellow Porsche coronavirus people. And we'll keep you updated as the progress goes along. We won't leave you hanging. Check us out at BreitWerks.com. Thanks for watching.